Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be doing a homemade mask, and I'm applying this mask for full 1 week and showing you results at the end. And you can see there's a lot of sunburned skin on my neck, and there is a lot of hyperpigmentation and acne going on. So I want to try out this homemade mask and see the results in a week, and I'll be applying it daily in a week. So without wasting much time, I'll show you how I'll prepare this mask and apply it, and at the end of this video I'll share my results with you. So guys, here are the ingredients. You need 1 tablespoon of curd or yogurt, and mind it, you need plain yogurt for this. Then you need 1 tablespoon of tomato juice or tomato puree. Then you need 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Be careful with turmeric because a lot of it can stain your skin, so you can adjust the quantities as you want. So these are the ingredients. We'll mix all of 3 together and make a smooth paste. And now I'll be applying it on my face, and make sure your face is washed free of all the creams and products, and then you have to apply this, and later on you can leave it for 30 minutes and then wash it off. So guys, you see I have thick application of this mask all over my skin, my face and my neck, and I just applied it pretty much like you apply any other mask. Welcome back guys, and today is my 7th day of using my turmeric and curd mask, and you can see that's how my skin looks like. My skin has improved a bit. I can't see any drastic difference. Tan is still there. It haven't taken care of tan completely, but it's a home remedy and it's only been a week, so I didn't had much expectations. So my final views would be this mask is like too much hassle for me. I used to devote 1 hour daily for this thing, and I don't think it's worth it, because after that I had to take care of all the pigmentation, yellowish tint left over by the turmeric. So it needed a lot more time. So, and if you are a busy person, I don't think it would work for you. It's good, it's natural, you're not putting on more chemicals on your face, and if you continue doing it, it will be like beneficial for your skin. But the fact that it takes that much time, I simply can't devote that much time to a skincare routine daily. So that was it, and yeah, it worked. So those were my opinions, and if you can hear background voices or noises, I'm so sorry. Somebody is like moving in, and they're making a lot of noise, and my laundry is freaking loud, so it's making noise too, so excuse me. And those were my views on this whole thing, and I don't think I'll be doing it regularly again, but I will be doing it once here and there, because I really like how turmeric like cured my skin, and I think I have a healthy glow on my skin right now, so you can see. So those were my views, and I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.